Welcome to Boating Journey. New here? Then please take a moment to hit the subscribe button. And to all of our regulars, welcome back. We appreciate your ongoing support. It really helps us with YouTube. This week, we're touring a 2018 Azimut Magellano 66 named Claire. She's 66 feet 1 inch long with a beam of 17 feet 10 inches and a draft of 5 feet 6 inches. She has 4 staterooms and 3 heads. Claire is powered by twin Volvo D13 diesel engines. Accessible through a hatch on the aft deck, the engine room provides over 7 feet of headroom, making it perfect for storing spare parts, bicycles, sea bobs, or other water sports equipment. The space is dominated by a Kohler generator, a water maker, and of course, the Volvo D13 engines. Permission to board! As you step onto the transom of Claire, you are greeted by a hydraulic swim platform, perfect for launching a personal watercraft. Port and starboard stairs lead up to the aft deck. Here, we find a U-shaped sitting area with a large high-gloss table to accommodate 6 guests. Personally, I think it would be more convenient to get around the table if it had foldable wings. The aft deck features side boarding doors on both sides. And here, we find a sink with a fridge down below. From here, let's check out her upper deck and Flybridge. Right away, I love that she has isinglass all around. This is something we saw in the Pacific Northwest all the time, but rarely see here in Florida. The helm station features Raymarine electronics and throttle, thruster, and joystick controls. See all the specs at the end of the video. There is plenty of seating and another large table for dining. Again, I would like to see the fixed table with folding wings to make it easier to maneuver around. But as you can see, as I take a quick pan around this conditioned space, there's plenty of room for you and your friends to have a great time cruising the Keys and the Bahamas with a fully equipped bar area, complete with a sink, refrigerator, ice maker, and grill. Moving outside, again, plenty of space for you and your friends with additional seating and even an outdoor shower, which would come in handy as the teak decking can become very hot under the blazing sun. Returning to the main deck, we'll check out the main salon and more importantly, enjoy the blasting air conditioning. The main salon offers plenty of comfortable seating with sofas on either side. There's a retractable TV hidden behind the starboard sofa. Here we have a little credenza with storage and dining for 6 to port. Taking a look back, we see the large chase sofa to port. And again, the sofa to starboard. Then, as we look forward past the dining table, we see that we have a galley to port. It's not a big galley, but this is sufficient. Again, remember this is only a 66-foot boat. So we have burners here. I do like it when the cooktop has pot holders. We have a door to port to go outside. We have the oven here, a good-sized refrigerator with freezer drawers, and sink. And we also have shades here to separate the galley from the dining area and salon. We also have the lower helm station, again with a Raymarine electronics cluster. We have the throttle control, joystick, and thruster controls. Also, very nice bolstered seating for the captain and first mate. And as we go downstairs, or down below as they say, to aft, we will find a full beam primary. We have the TV, credenza with storage, a king-size bed, seating area, and hanging locker. Entering the head, we have a good-sized single vanity, shower, actually a multiple mini head shower, and we have a toilet right behind the door. Taking it all in, this is a very roomy and comfortable primary for a boat of this size. Leaving the primary and heading forward, we find the washer and dryer tucked away in the hallway. Continuing on and taking a couple steps up, to port we first find twin bunk beds with a small hanging locker, mounted TV, and a porthole or port light. Across the hall, we have again two twins, and they remain only twins. It doesn't look like you can slide them together. Again, a TV and hanging locker. This stateroom has shared access to the dayhead where we find a separate shower stall, toilet, and vanity. As we exit and continue forward, we go to the VIP with the raised island berth. It has an ensuite, so let's check that out first. It features a single vanity, toilet, and shower. To port, we have a closet hidden behind the full-length mirror with a bunch of storage shelves. And to starboard, passing the TV, we find another good-sized hanging locker and additional storage along the walls. Your VIP guest will be very comfortable while underway and staying in this stateroom. Oh, and one last thing before heading out, the large overhead hatch provides plenty of natural light and access to the cool trade winds at night. I'm very impressed with how much room and comfort Azimut was able to squeeze into a boat of this size. It's not too big that a couple couldn't handle it themselves, or have it crewed and just enjoy the ride. Check out all of Claire's specs here. I hope you liked this episode. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell. And be sure to leave a comment down below, letting us know if you like these types of videos. I know we love sharing our experiences walking aboard these boats for the very first time with you. See you next time.